Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here today at SAP's FSI Forum. And joining me is Gerald Grattoni and Andy Hirst from Intel and SAP. And we're going to be talking about machine learning in the financial industry. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you very much.
Gerald, let's start with you. Why is there so much interest in advanced analytics in the financial service sector?
I believe we need to have a look at the four top challenges for the industry today: compliance and regulation, customer engagement, cybersecurity, and new competition. If you look at advanced analytics, they are going to help and assist banking and insurance companies to address the first three, and by doing so, provide the tools to better compete moving forward. When it comes to compliance and regulation, think about efficiencies and really driving value out of all the investment made. When it comes to customer engagement, think about providing an amazing experience to the customers, getting much closer and becoming true trusted advisors. And when it comes to cybersecurity, it's about early detections of external but also internal threats.
Well, fundamentally, banks need to differentiate through data in the future. Being good at transactions is not good enough. So also, we are actually getting much lower cost of storage. So you can now store data in Hadoop for a very low cost point, and you can hold information in real time, which empowers a lot of these applications that are not able to respond to a client interaction in the time and speed of thought. So these are the reasons why we're seeing real engagement for new, advanced analytic applications. It improves the bottom line, improves productivity of employees, and these are all good things for a bank.
How is it being used and what are the benefits and opportunities that it brings?
Well, machine learning's got many use cases within banking and insurance. I mean, we're seeing quite a few in the whole area of email. How do I understand the sentiment of an email and perhaps route that and categorize that into the right area? That's one of the big use cases. Also, perhaps understanding how to retain customers, understanding all the different digital footprints of a client to see who's very committed to us or perhaps running down his balance and perhaps thinking of leaving us. So this is another area, understanding how to retain our customers. Then if you look at insurance, you're looking at use cases where a claim comes in, how do I understand and auto-read that to find out if that's a high-value claim or one that can be automated through the process very easy. So we're seeing a lot of interesting use cases evolving which involve text analytics, predictive analytics, and a mishmash of technologies. But fundamentally what we're trying to do here is help banks automate repetitive processes and differentiate through the use of data by improving productivity.
So what are the risks of engaging machine learning and what are the risks of not engaging machine learning?
Really, I see three key risks of engaging. The first one is going to be governance, and critically, when we move forward, how can we explain how a decision is going to be taken from an audit and from a compliance perspective? The second risk is about data integrity. The quality of the data that's going to be ingested into the machine learning engines is going to be critical to drive the accuracy and the quality of a recommendation. And three, that's going to be a question of balance. Not everybody is ready for AI services today. So it's going to be down to the banks and insurance companies to find the right balance as they deploy these AI engines towards the end users.
Yeah, I think it's getting the right use case, which is a repetitive process that actually has a resolution. And I think it's actually picking those right cases that allow you to really use the benefits of AI to reduce the repetitive process and automate and learn how that model is created. These are the right use cases, and part of it is to actually sieve through and filter what are those cases which are going to get the best benefit to the organization. This is one of the big benefits of this area. The risk is obviously you pick the wrong ones which are part process, part data, and can't be automated. And I think at the moment we have to go through a visioning process with our clients to get to the right cases and the right particular use case, which is going to create good business value for the future.
Gentlemen, it was great to have you along. I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you very much for having us.
And thank you very much, Hannah.
And thank you for watching.